Math is like dating. It's all about combining the right functions. Functions inside functions, where math meets real life. Let's use these specific functions. O-evaluate f(g(x) will follow these steps. First, calculate gx. Then, use the result as the input for f of x. Example calculation. Let x equals 2.
First, calculate g of 2.
Now, use g of 2 equals to 7 as the input for f of x. This demonstrates how we first apply the inner function g of x, and then apply the outer function f of x to that result. Here are some practical real-life examples of composite functions. Economics and finance. Calculating tax rates. Gx equals income. Fx equals tax rate calculation. F of g of x would determine total tax owed based on income level. Physics and engineering. Speed and distance calculations. gt equals velocity at time, t. F of x equals distance traveled. F of gt calculates total distance based on changing velocity. Health and fitness. Calorie burn calculation. Gx equals exercise intensity. Fx equals calories burned per minute. F of g of x determines total calories burned during a workout. Environmental science. Temperature conversion. G of x equals Celsius temperature. F of x equals Fahrenheit conversion formula. F of g of x converts Celsius to Fahrenheit. Computer science. Data encryption. G of x equals original data. F of x equals encryption algorithm. F of g of x transforms data into encrypted form. Nutrition. Nutritional value calculation. G of x equals food quantity. F of x equals calorie over nutrient density. F of g of x determines total nutritional intake. These examples show how composite functions model complex real-world transformations by applying multiple calculations sequentially.
Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.